magaling mag-joke kasi nakakatawa talaga, sobrang joker daw.
Hindi nga po, kahit seryoso.
So,
Hindi, magaling siya mag-asar, hindi
Asar
mag-joke.
talaga.
Kahit seryoso ako, natatawa sila.
Ayan, so next question. Yung mga banter lang dito, nakaka-excited makita sa concert. Yung mga ano yung isa-isa.
Naku, kung isasobra pa si Casey, natatakot na ako.
Hello, I'm Rizal, Philippine Star. Okay, ewan ko nung sagot ko sa previous press tour, pero I'd like to know it. What's the main idea behind the title? It's kind of mundane to me, pero parang the thing is, you're a foreign group coming over here, or gagawin yung series yung concert, parang meron din kayo live in Busan. Anyway, anong idea?
Live in train to Busan po. Ano po, meron po, magkakaroon po ng tour. I think that's the ano po, talagang yung reason. Itutour po namin kasi around. So, Divas live in Manila, tapos Divas live in USA, or in Canada. So, parang po yung Divas live in Pampanga. Well, opo.
Various cities. Okay. Pangalawang ko lang, you guys definitely will say na you're not competing on stage or you will not upstage each other. But the fans will compete. Like last night, yung Never fans, pinuno lang yung Araneta hanggang sa labas. What's your take on that? Meron pa kayong yung kampo nyo ba, may mga plan ba behind na papupunta talagang pala? Kasi nakakatulong yung sigawan, dapat ibulilit na. Or, what's your take on that? Yung fun competition. That's the thing with ganitong klaseng concert na collaboration. Pero kayo, bawat isa sa inyo may fans may fan base. I'd like to know your idea behind that.
Paulit nga po yan ka na.
Yung take nyo sa the fact that the fans might or probably pwede sila mag-compete pamaramihan sila, palakasan tayo ng boses. Parang in a way, ayun yung competition dun Kung sino yung mas malakas ng sigaw, parang in essence kami nanalo. Although sa inyo, walang competition definitely. Pero yung fans, yung magbibigay lang sila. Parang bigyan silang idea.
Ako personally, sa akin, entertaining din yung part na yun It's part of the entertainment, yung mga fans din. Pero like, sa akin personally, I talk to them. Sinasabi ko kung pwede supportahan lahat kami. And syempre, ang pinakaayaw ako yung gusto kong iwasan, yung merong magkakaroon ng conflict or yung may mabubu or something. Parang yun talaga yung pinakaayaw ko. I always ask them very nicely if they can support all of us. Kasi magkakapatid kami and they can cheer for all of us. Parang mas masaya yun na nag-cheer sila for everybody. Kasi we come here, we come to the concert as one, as a team. So, kung may kulang sa amin, hindi buo hindi kompleto yung concert. So, parang kulang ng Ricardo. So, sana, ganun din yung mga supporters namin. Yun.
Yun din po yung sagot namin. Kasi naulala kami lahat, parang, yun yung sagot yun po yung sagot namin lahat.
Actually, medyo kasi na-witness ko rin yan dati, yung nag-aaway